Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Red Home Roots. In today's episode, we'll be making the best turkey gravy. It's a roast turkey gravy, and this is a recipe I swear by every single year for Thanksgiving. Everyone wants to come to Chef Carla's house, and that's partly due to this velvety rich gravy. And bonus, I make it in advance. So here goes with the recipe. I preheat my oven to 400 degrees and place 3 tablespoons of olive oil heated up over medium-high heat in a Dutch oven. Place my smoked turkey wings into the pan. They're slippery, so watch out. Next, I'll add some aromatics and my vegetables. So 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, 1 rib of celery, 1 head of garlic split through the equator. And I'm just making sure that things are touching the surface. We want some caramelization and not just steaming. Now I'm placing my herb bundle in there, and my herb bundle consists of 4 stems of fresh sage, 4 sprigs of fresh thyme, 6 parsley stems. And here I'll show you how to make a bouquet garni, which is basically just a fancy way of saying an herb bundle. Sometimes bouquet garnis are in little sachets because they can put peppercorns in there and all kinds of different things like bay leaves. And this is generally put in stews and soups and stocks. It's just an easier way to remove the herbs and the flavors and seasoning once you're done with them. And all you do is take some kitchen twine, your herb bundle, and tie them up into a knot. And there you go. There's your bouquet garni. That went into the pot as well. After about 5 minutes, I place my Dutch oven into the preheated oven and I roast for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven and place the Dutch oven over medium-high heat. And at this point, I can go ahead and take out my turkey pieces. Again, it's slippery, so watch out when you make this. I take out the turkey pieces. We've extracted all the flavor from them, and it's rendered some fat at the bottom, which will help make our gravy. I'm going to build the gravy with some flour, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And I want to cook out the raw flour flavor. So just give it a minute stirring. Starting to loosen up the brown bits, all the fond at the bottom of the pot. So we want all that added flavor. I whisk in 6 cups of low sodium chicken stock. And again, just loosening up the brown bits at the bottom, getting it all combined. Bring it up to a simmer and allow it to simmer and bubble away for about 15 minutes until it has reduced by about 1/4. So this is after 15-20 minutes. And I can feel the consistency is a lot thicker. It's been reduced. It's a little more concentrated. I also swipe my finger at the back of the spoon And it was hard to tell here, but based on how much weepage there is, so if you see the weeping of the sauce coming down, that means that your gravy is a little too thin. And in that case, you can reduce your gravy a little further. So I turned off the heat, and switching here, I will strain the gravy at this point. I also shimmy the strainer and press the vegetables with the back of a spoon just to extract all the liquid, all the lovely goodness, all the flavor as much as I can. And here I have this lovely liquid gold here, roasted turkey gravy. At this point, I season it with salt and pepper and adjust the seasoning to taste. This turkey gravy is make ahead. I made this about 2 to 3 weeks before Thanksgiving. I let it cool, put it in an airtight container, and I freeze it. And then the day of, all I have to do is thaw it out, heat it up before the big dinner, and it's just as good as the day you made it. And that means no messing around with the gravy dripping, sweating, whisking after the turkey is done, trying to get the perfect consistency. It's all done for you. This is my last seasoning adjustment. And it's good to go. So I allow it to cool before I store it. Place it into an airtight container. So I always label it what it is and the date. And this foolproof recipe gives you all the flavor of a traditional turkey gravy along with an elevated background note of smokiness. So people can't quite put their finger on it, but they know they absolutely love it. They go crazy for this stuff. And there you go. This will make dinner so much easier on the big day. And you've got a lovely, beautiful gravy. I hope this inspires you to make the best turkey gravy. You can also grab the recipe on my blog at redhomeroots.com. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.